Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Thursday, it's Thursday, July the 28th, 2022. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. But we have an overload of Sudokus or puzzles today because the summer additional is published also, but also the other additional. Let me show you. This is the regular, not regular, the additional. Oh, let me zoom this out. 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, the 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and 1 binary. 7 puzzles. I won't do them all, otherwise it's too much for me for solving those puzzles on one day. Yes, but in this newspaper we have also a summer additional, also with a letter Sudoku 2 stars, the 3-star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, and we have here, let me show you, 1 binary, 10 by 10 I believe, and the Tectonic with 4 stars, 6 puzzles in the summer edition. Well, it's too much for me, overload on this day. Tomorrow is another day. So what I will do is I will post the PDF files of this summer additional, and if you want to make those puzzle, just download the puzzles below. I have the links posted. So I only do the regular medium Sudoku and 4 of the puzzles in the additional. Otherwise, too much for me. If you have any request, you can leave it in the comment. Maybe I will do or solve those puzzles that you want. But first, this one will be number. This will be number. Let me see which number will 4922. Yes, 4922. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the 5 in the first column, the 5 in the second column? So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah, my nails and fingers a little bit dirty with grease. I've repaired the bicycle, so don't mention anything about my fingers, dirty fingers. Yes, all right. Let me continue. Six, seven, and yeah. How about? Five missing numbers in the 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this first row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we see a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Oh, let me finish with the 2. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Right. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this third column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 5, 5, okay, I can continue with the 5 now. Yeah, okay. How about the 4 in this row, the 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this last row, 4 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is my 2, number 4. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. I cannot continue with the 2 now. How about the number, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. We have an 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then let me see. Okay. Then. Two missing numbers in the third row for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. Oh, no. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, we have a 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1. The 2 is missing. Well, the 2. We have a 2 in this row. We have a 2 in that row. So row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see here 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1 box left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 9. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 9. Interesting. 2 numbers left in this big. Oh, 1 box left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box gave me 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be 3. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Talk too long in the beginning, but I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. By the way, I have here also the other PDF links in the for the summer additional. Yes, 6 links for the summer additional. I will post it here. So see you later with the other puzzles in the other additional, not the summer additional, but the other additional. Until then, bye bye for now.